ACIARI ni boritwo batige gwikaira kibunene aritwa baraba kugwata A na B kiri kigero kya KCSE ende baririkane kinya baria batikinyetie maxi bubuni kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kithomo kya Easter Muhoria uria warite kiri mambura za mbere ja gwikirwa thumbi kwa aritwa ba KARUMO technical ira iritigania west kiri mambura za kuthithikirite kenine ga skuru ja tongeria bange barabaririe kuborite thirikari gutigira ni kwa aritwa baba twanya twa kugwata umenyo ni tu internship kenda kinya bomba kuona twanya twanguge mukiri wa metheka na gutwacho
ARITWA nkrukiema na kenda ibaikiri thumbi cia certificate na diploma king graduation mbere chukuru ya mathomo ya kiubundi note KARUMO.
We have been successful as evidenced by the large number of knowledgeable and skilled graduates we are releasing to the job market today.
In performance contracting, we emerged number 8 out of 98 TVET institutions. In the financial year 2021.
Akiaria mweni wa eteo kiathonekio ra IPS o mathomo ya kiubundi neoteka na TVET rungurwa rwanyirwa kithomo ndaitare Esther Muhoria na inyeletio batubwa mathomo ya kenda kurwa na wagibwa ngwibura ete thina kirenthe thai.
To encourage the acquisition of these skills, positive attitudes, to be able to drive this country to the next level of development, so that our youth find skills that we can certify both in this country and in collaboration with institutions outside, double certification, so that our graduates are able to work anywhere in this world. Our graduates are able to use their skills to self-employ themselves and to employ others. We must do away with this attitude that you come to these institutions because you are less endowed with what it takes to be an absolute citizen of this country and across the waters.
Na kuringana nwe,
we are all very pertinent. And this attitude that you must go to the university or you must get an A to be an important person must be done away with. And the word here is must. We cannot continue discouraging people from getting to where they are supposed to get just because we think it is very important to get an A or a B plus or a B. That A or B is not what defines you. You can go to the greatest extent of yourself, whether you got an A or a D at Form 4. That single examination must not define you. I am not an A student myself as I stand here, and I am your PS today.
Amwena bomu tongerio nthuke mbethe mbunge ne kaunti Meru kirinya mwenda na inyeletio batubwa kwa ARITWA barabara umachukuru kanya kurita na kumenya ngwira bathomerete na njira mwanya mwanya.
Starting to give what we call paid internships to these people so that they are able to enter the job market immediately after graduation. Start what we call manufacturing and processing industries so that once you release these people, they will have opportunities to work and gain experience and as well as gain financial freedom. I would want you to urge the contractors that you give works to make sure that majority of the people they contract to do these works are these graduates who are here so that they can give back to the community.
Mukaririete ombondi chukuru inarombete rwangirwa kithomo batetherie kuthia murio yo marei ikirikanwa kiri aritani gana rimura 20 baraba echukuru mbondi ere arimo 79 untubutu mabakainyelwa bonene.
We require an additional tuition block. Number 2, we require an additional institute bus. Number 3, we require additional staff. trainers to ease our burden in the huge salaries that the BOG is paying the trainers.
Akiaria munini o gavana kaunti Meru Mutumanto Ithingia amwe na MC Oguntukoji Muchoi ibaikite wira ne bwa kurita ngwe kenda ukiria kithomo kyo bundu notea na kinya cukuru KARUMO.
Through the following interventions, among others: employment of qualified trainers, infrastructural development, disbursement of capitation for all trainees, disbursement of subsidized examination booking fees, issuance of modern tools and equipment, establishment of centers of excellence in fashion design and garment making technology, issuance of retention enhancement funds, that is bursaries, to needy students.
We have students here who go as far as 15 kilometers to seek accommodation, not because there are no houses around, but because the social amenities, we have problems with the social amenities, water, the roads around, electricity. I know also the river that the students who are getting water has dried up. I'm in talks with Warma to see how we can be able to address the issue, because I understand there are people who have tapped water from some other areas.
Nkiripotera Wero TV kuma TWANYA, Mbeta wa Mukiri wa Mithika.